Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to take you on an aerial journey. This review has been shot with a drone.
Subscribe, thank everyone.
We are taking you across to the beautiful district of Cumbria in the northwest of England. The place is called Solway Holiday Village. Guys, we hope you will like the drone review. Please leave any suggestions in the comment section below. The location of the Caravan Park is very mesmerizing as it's located on the Irish Sea. Alright, let's give you a sneak peek into our caravan now. The caravan park was very well maintained and our caravan was very clean. Let's give you a tour of the caravan park. This caravan park has many on-site facilities like these swings and slides and the play areas for the little ones. There is an on-site indoor heated pool as well, which is very well maintained. Other leisure facilities include an on-site animal farm and a fun arcade for the kids. And this cute Freddy train service. Day 3 of our stay at Solway Holiday Village, and we visited Silloth Green located on the Irish Sea. Guys, we hope you liked our drone review this time. We hope you enjoyed flying with us. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and leave any comments in the comment section below. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. See you next time. Bye.